oh no, what's going on? Bitcoin is falling. It was at $108,000 and now it fell down to the lower 90,000. Is that a problem? Am I going to lose all of my money? Is crypto really a way to lose your money? That is what a lot of people are going to say now. And the truth is, as an investor, you have to learn to love panic. When everyone else is thinking, oh no, I'm about to lose money, everything is going down, what you need to be thinking is, oh, can I get great investments, great assets at a discount? And that's exactly what is happening right now. We're seeing what we are calling a short-term correction because the bull run is most definitely not over yet. That's at least my conviction. The bull run is the phase of that market where all the assets within the market increase in value, and most experts agree that the bull run in crypto is going to end sometime in the middle of 2025. So right now, being Christmas or close to Christmas 2024, this is an important time where we need to look at what was the behavior of Bitcoin in the past, specifically something called the Bitcoin dominance. And what typically does the Bitcoin dominance do in years that happen just before a bull run ends? So that was the case last time in 2016 because the bull run ended in 2017, and also in 2020 because that bull run ended in 2021. And what we see is that the Bitcoin dominance goes down around Christmas, and that is actually very good for people who understand that there might be an opportunity to make an investment into altcoins, alternative coins. So this video really answers the question, am I too late to jump on the crypto train to invest in crypto in this bull run? And the short answer is no, you're not too late, but it is maybe a good idea to look at altcoins, for example, Solana and Ethereum, instead of Bitcoin. If you are someone who is just interested in learning how to invest in Bitcoin without being an investor or trader, just make regular investments and see your nest egg grow over the next 5 to 10 years, then I have something very powerful for you. Just go to the website crypto.lifestyle, and then I have a free video there for you that explains how you can get started in basic crypto investing, into Bitcoin particularly. But for all of those who say, no, I want to do something that is short term, meaning I want to invest some money now and then have some profits in the middle of next year, then again, it is maybe right now the best time to invest in Solana and Ethereum. That's at least what I am doing. So let me share my screen so we can look at something called the Bitcoin dominance. I think that is a very important concept to understand. So here you see on the left-hand side, we have 2016, and then on the right-hand side, we have 2025. So that's the time range. And we're looking specifically here at around Christmas of 2016, where you see the Bitcoin dominance drop. Okay, and then it goes, so then basically when we are somewhere here at the bottom of the Bitcoin dominance, that also coincides with the end of the bull run. And then, so actually that was here. And then when we look at Christmas of 2020, you also see that the Bitcoin dominance drops. And then here when it stabilizes here at the bottom, what is that, around 40%, then we know that the bull run ended here. But what is important to understand, what is the Bitcoin dominance? The Bitcoin dominance is the share of money invested in Bitcoin versus the entire crypto market. So essentially, when the Bitcoin dominance drops, it means that the value, the money goes from Bitcoin into alternative coins, into other coins. That essentially means that people are selling the Bitcoin to place their investments otherwise. either a stable coin like USDT or an altcoin where people think, okay, Bitcoin is already pretty high. So if I still want to make some profits, I might invest my money into a coin that is ready to grow even more, right? Proportionally speaking. So that is the time that we might be in right now. So again, we have here Christmas of 2016, followed by a drop in Bitcoin dominance. And then we have here Christmas of 2020, followed by a drop in Bitcoin dominance. If we zoom in into where we are right now, you can see that we have this upwards trend, and then we had the drop in Bitcoin dominance here is probably going to go slightly up again, but then at some point the dominance will go down, at least if we believe that what has historically happened is going to repeat itself. So we are here in this situation here and here. So if you look at the percentage by which the dominance went down, it was 50% here, and then it was about 50% here. So if that were to repeat again, that would take, let's see, into the 30s, the low 30s. Okay, so when the Bitcoin dominance drops to the low 30s, that is most likely going to represent the level at which we have the top of the bull run. So that means that around now might be a good time to invest into some altcoins. And the altcoin that I quite like is Solana, and here it is. Okay, so what you see here is Solana in November going up, and then November 22nd, it starts losing its value, and then this is the recent drop that causes the panic. But it has hit this resistance level here around $182. Okay, that is a resistance level that was observed about 2 times here, so 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is really an interesting level to expect Solana to rebound here and jump back up. So this is a short-term trend here. So we're already seeing the break of that short-term trend. And then once it breaks the long-term trend here, this is where things really get interesting. And we see nice gains from a Solana that you can now purchase at a discount under 200. So again, I am typically not talking about charts all too much, but there's you can't escape them completely. These are tools that professional day traders use, and they look at them all day long, which is not necessarily something that we are ready to do. But for those medium-term investors, those who want to deploy some cash now and have some profits in the middle of next year, they do help us to understand, oh, okay, now might be good entries. Even though everyone panics, I understand that the fact that Bitcoin lost value recently is a good thing, because the market gets a breather and I can purchase my coins at a discount. So hopefully this has helped you. If you want me to keep you up to date in a way where you avoid having to watch hours and hours of content every day, and you're interested in some medium-term investing, long-term investing, I have crypto.lifestyle that you can go join my email list. And at the same time, you also get a free video that really teaches you the basics, very beginner friendly, on how you can start dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and build a nest egg for your future.